Oh my god, it's like right in front of me. That is the biggest cicada I've ever seen. There's actually some in here. And there's some cicadas actually burrowed themselves in there. Yeah. That's definitely a cicada. They don't sting, so yeah, you can pick them up, but they're slow. And I'm in Israel. I'm in the Cicadas desert right now. Oh, there are two cicadas right now. Look, one of them is trying to get inside the tent. They're everywhere. Wow. I haven't seen these much beetles and cicadas in a very long time. So some of them look like bumblebees, but they're not. Yeah, they're definitely cicadas, and they're freaking everywhere. Oh my god. There's one here. These are Cicadas desert cicadas. I didn't see them around Jerusalem. I'm surely seeing them around here. These are bamboos, actually. They don't grow here. I mean, even though this is desert, you still have leaves because this place does get about under 10 millimeters of rain, which is about an inch or two a year. And also, this place has a lot of underground water deposits because Israel actually recycles over 70% of its water. California does something similar. California will never have water shortages again. Also, Israel gets its water from the Mediterranean. It has a desalination plant that is nuclear powered. Wow, I mean, they're just everywhere. So, okay. I'm walking out of the bathroom now. I'm going to walk back outside. I'm going to show you what the desert area looks like. So these are tents. See all those hills down there? That's Judean desert. These are the palm trees that grow here. I mean, even though we're in a desert, we're getting a lot of cumulus clouds. Further north, they were very low to the ground. These actually were fog earlier today. They just burned off. See, there are clouds in the sky, which means there is some humidity in the air. So it's not completely dry. I'm making a video. I'm making a video.
Yeah, but on the way back, I had like the carrots before the flight. Hi. No, but what would you choose to do?
So I was just making a video about all the cicadas that are flying around here.
Oh, you were going to tell me what you're
They're everywhere, huh? I tried to catch one of them. Yep, but
tell her that.
Like the way my phone works and emails, it automatically. Yeah, I lived in North for like 5 years. My dad ran the Western Club. We running there.
Hey, Rabbi says.
It's not nice to do that.
huh?
Yeah.
My face red.
I can't see. I'm wearing phone.
Oh,
Rabbi. You remember Nick?
so this is our trip to Israel. It's amazing.
Can I guess? But I don't know what's up.